Christmas with the Abs Max. It's go time.
What's up the rules for breakfast today? What's up the words I'm flying to say? I need to let my head kind of go
And now, the question we have all been waiting for. How will I steal Christmas? Well, prepare to have your little doggy mind blown. Poof. Ta-da! That's right. I become Santa Claus. But instead of giving all the joy and happiness, I'll take it away. If he can deliver Christmas to the whole world in one night, then I can certainly steal it from little old Whoville. I mean, come on. What's Santa have that I don't? That's hurtful.
What are you doing with my bowling ball?
Chasing it.
And you're taking it where?
It's a secret.
All right, but not without breakfast. Catch!
Whoa! Waffles, my favorite! Thanks, see you guys later! Here we go.
Hey, Samuel.
Oh, hey there, Mr. Cummins. Caw-caw, caw-caw. Whoop, whoop.
Ready.
All right, let's go. Hold on! Woo!
Let's go, let's move.
Yeah. Hang on! Woo!
And dismount.
So, what do we know?
Waffles are delicious.
Super delicious. What I meant about meeting Santa.
We know no one's ever done it.
Okay. How about this? I'm gonna sit in the living room with my eyes wide open like this. And if I start to drift off, I'll just open them wider.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna fall asleep. And by the time you wake up,
He'll be gone. Nothing but cookie crumbs. Yeah, you're right.
I got it.
Tell me.
Maple syrup.
All right, maple syrup.
We pour it on the roof, the reindeer get stuck, and then they can't fly away. Science.
Won't the syrup just freeze?
Good point.
Also, how do we get all that syrup on the roof?
Yeah, I got nothing.
Wait a minute. I think I got it.
What?
We're gonna need the whole gang for this one.